Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, April 16, 2026. Ian De Leon, tanging tagapagmana ni Nora Honor, ipinaliwanag ang tungkulin sa pamana. Ipinaliwanag ni Ian De Leon ang kanyang papel bilang tanging legal na tagapagmana ng national artist na si Nora Honor. Sa panayam kay Rico Hizon sa ANC program na Beyond the Exchange, sinabi ni Ian na malaking responsibilidad ang nakaatang sa kanya bilang sole heir ng kanyang ina. I am, legally speaking, the sole heir of Mom, but, of course, the responsibility holds me accountable for many things. First and foremost, all the things that she has left behind, like her movies and her body of work, like in the music industry. And also, of course, we have to be managing all those people who truly love her, ani Ian. Upang mapangalagaan ang pamana ng kanyang ina, nagtatag siya ng dalawang one-person corporations, OPC, ang Nora Honor Enterprise at Nora Honor Foundation. Ang enterprise ay nakatuon sa mga proyektong pangkomersyo gaya ng museum exhibits, musicals, fan conventions, merchandising, concerts, at docu-series. Samantala, ang foundation ay nakatuon sa mga outreach at social projects. The two have symbiotic relationship with each other. The enterprise is for profit and the foundation is for non-profit. Whatever revenue that we make from the enterprise will go to the outreach programs, for the social projects, paliwanag ni Ian. We love reading them. Nilinaw din niya na ang kanyang tungkulin bilang sole heir ay hindi nangangahulugang nawawala ang ugnayan sa kanyang mga kapatid na sina Lotlot, Matet, Kiko, at Kenneth, na lahat ay adopted children ni Nora Honor. My responsibility here does not exclude them or erase them from any family relationships, dagdag pa niya.
Are you the sole and legal heir of your mom, Nora Honor?
Kuya Rico, yes, I am. Legally speaking, the sole heir of Mom. But, of course, the responsibility holds me accountable for many things in that regard. First and foremost, all the things that she has left behind, like her movies and her body of work, like in the music industry. And also, of course, we can have to be managing all those people that, truly love her.
Panoorin ang buong video sa YouTube channel ng ANC 24/7, Beyond the Exchange. I-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.